Welcome to the all-time Google algorithm updates for a better SEO series, episode 1. In this episode, we will be covering all the 5 updates which came from the year 2000 to 2004. The first update rolled out on December 1st, 2000 was Google Toolbar. Then Boston on February 1st, 2003. Then Fritz on July 1st, 2003 again. Following it, Florida on November 1st, 2003 and Brandy on February 1st, 2004. Let's talk about Google Toolbar. So Google Toolbar was a really powerful information search and retrieval companion that seamlessly integrates with the user's web browser and allows any user to search any of the website's pages even after the fact the website has no search engines. These are some of the snapshots that I gathered so that I can give you a better idea how it used to look at the time when it was launched on December 11, 2000 and now. The top features of Google Toolbar are, as we talk about this, it helps the website users to directly jump onto any of the website pages whichever they want to by just searching for the particular page even after the site don't have any search engine technology or algorithm. It helped in automatically locating search terms on any web page in place of using the web browser's find feature. It directly accesses Google's cached version of web pages in the event that a link is broken or has taken offline. It automatically determines web page importance for every page browsed with Google's award-winning PageRank technology. The second update, Google Boston, which was launched on February 1st, 2003, was the official named first Google algorithm update by Google. Announced at CES Boston, this update was planned as monthly algorithm updates for better user experience. After frequent unexpected changes in ranking, this update idea was totally dropped by Google. Then came Google Fritz on 1st July 2003, which was an extended update from the previous Boston update. It was a small update, but that allowed Google to update its index constantly instead of bringing their updates in bunches, which caused Google dance. Then came Google Florida update on 1st November 2003. If we talk about the key highlights, we can easily see it was a link analysis algorithm which Google engineers revealed that they were using statistical link analysis to wipe out spammy websites. Just because it came just before Christmas shopping and Popcorn Orlando event, hence it hit e-commerce platform very badly. It is said that Florida update was the first major algorithm update which caused many non-spammy and innocent websites lost their rankings. These innocent sites who lost their rankings were labeled as false positives. As Google planned with this update, they managed to hijack all the low-value websites who were pursuing black hat SEO techniques. At an event, Google engineers also revealed that they were using statistical link analysis to clear out all the spammy websites. If you want to know more about statistical link analysis, you may find a link in the description below. The last but not the least of this episode, Google Brandy, which came on February 1st, 2004, came up with a variety of changes including a massive index expansion, latent semantic indexing, increased attention to anchor text relevance. Reading more about this update, you will find LSI expanded Google's ability to understand synonyms and took keyword analysis to the next level. If you want to know more about latent semantic indexing, you may find a link in the description or an iCard at the top right corner for a better understanding. This update had a major impact on how Google indexes website. This update helped in increasing the index size and the database was also modified. Introduction of latent semantic indexing is something which rolled out in this particular update itself. Website pages which were incorrectly taken off by the Google now started showing up again. Some big spammy websites which were not affected by the recent updates, Google Brandy helped in permanently deleting all those from Google Index. Inclusion of dynamic web pages in the index was seen. This means that dynamically generated links were better recognized and thus ranked higher. Before the update, some 40% of the pages that had been scanned by Google were not in the index. This was reduced to 20% with this Brandy update. Those websites which misused blocks to get as many links as possible were totally removed from the indexing and were penalized. So this was all about all the initial Google algorithm updates which came from the year 2000 to 2004. I'll see you in the next episode which will be covering further updates. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.